Hello, my name is Lorraine Faithful, and I am the Operations Manager at Nonprofit Leadership Center, Tampa's Center for Nonprofit Education and your go-to place for nonprofit resources and information. I receive many requests about starting a new nonprofit. If this is your interest, please visit our resources page of our website at nlctb.org and click on the box named Nonprofit Startup. There you will find articles such as the one about the advantages and disadvantages of becoming a 501c3, so that you can be fully aware of the costs, the time, and the efforts needed to establish a new business. Another article titled Before You Start a Nonprofit provides specific questions that will help you think through the serious planning needed before you file your incorporation papers or apply for the tax exemption from the Internal Revenue Service with Form 1023. Also read 5 alternatives to starting a nonprofit for suggestions of options for you to consider if starting a nonprofit is not the best alternative for you. If starting a nonprofit is the best alternative for you, there's a helpful checklist and a guide for the steps to follow in Get Ready, Get Set, a guide to starting a nonprofit. We highly recommend that you contact experts in the nonprofit sector for your legal and accounting questions along the way. You can find respected professionals with expertise in those areas under our website under Key Partners. Call any of the businesses found under Business Law and Certified Public Accountants. While you're on that page, there may be other Key Partner businesses that can assist you in your startup endeavors, and we encourage you to contact any one of them directly. While you're in the process of starting your new nonprofit, know that we offer training and consulting services to improve the effectiveness of nonprofit leaders and the impact and missions of their organizations. Learning at NLC is fun, interactive, and collaborative. We offer a variety of innovative learning opportunities such as 90 classroom training events taught by community experts. We offer customized training specific to a nonprofit's unique needs, 2 dynamic conferences each year, and free access to top-notch resources and information. I encourage you to visit our website at nlctb.org and to create a free profile and sign up for our weekly e-newsletter. With your free profile, you'll have access to register for our training events at affordable, discounted fees, post job openings, and use our board finder to find community folks interested in serving on your board of directors. Thank you for your time. If you have questions about our services, please send me an email at info@nlctb.org.